Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to close all tabs in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using S26 Ultra and you want to close all your browser tabs, so let's see how we can do that. You just have to simply open your browser. So let's say I'm using my Google Chrome. I'm going to open this one. You can also open your browser or any other browser you use. I'm using Google Chrome, so I'm opening this. Just click on this gear icon with a number. Just click on this and you must see how many tabs you have opened. Now if you want to delete them one by one, so you have a cross icon here. Just click on this cross icon and your tab will be closed or will be removed. You can undo this if you want to, or you have a second way. You just have to click on these three dots and just click on close all tabs and then click on close all tabs and groups. So it will completely close all your tabs and groups you have opened. So in this way you can easily close your browser tabs and Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. In the next video, bye bye.